This is a Gravely 810. It's got a 10-horse Kohler on it. Put a new coil on it. It does need a key switch because the key switch is a little messed up. It does need deck bearings, and that tire there keeps going flat, but like after a couple weeks it gets to where it's at right now. Just washed it a while ago. Let's see the water on it. It needs like deck bearings because the deck hasn't been used on this. This thing was parked for a long time. I mean, I guess it really wasn't parked for that long, but the deck hasn't been used. And I mean, the bearings, everything's tight. But you can just tell it just sat for a long time, and the bearings are like rusty, so it makes a lot of noise. So they'll need to be taking care of that front tire, and that key switch. Because every once in a while you get it in the wrong spot, and it doesn't want to start. I mean, obviously somebody put that in there. I mean, it looks like it was meant to be there, though. I just turn it on, and if you try to go all the way to start, there's nothing there. You just turn it on run, and hit that button, and it starts up. And sometimes it won't. You give this a little wiggle, and then you hit it, and it'll start. Because I've sat here and messed with it while it's running, and just go like that, and it'll cut out and on, just by just wiggling it. This takes a regular battery. It's got a humongous gas tank on it. It takes like a regular type car battery. And it's got a huge tank. I mean, it's at least 6 gallons. Why? I don't know why they'd build something that big. I mean, but that tank goes down and like it comes back or something. As you can see, they had some weird setup when they come up with that. But you put some wheel weights and chains on it. If I could find a plow for this thing, I wouldn't even get rid of it. Because this thing be a tank pushing snow. And it's really fast and 4 high. Everything works on it, though. I'll show you what the deck sounds like. It's really noisy. second. There's third. There's fourth. And I don't even have the throttle up that high. I mean, this thing really goes fast and 4 high. Runs good, doesn't smoke. I know it needs some points. I'm not happy with the points on it. The carburetor works really good. No throttle shaft play whatsoever. I can't even get that to even move. And you know how these Kohlers are with them. Of course, the duct engagement looks like that of a wheel horse. I think wheel horse stole their ideas from Gravely, because Gravely's been around a lot longer than wheel horse. It's got a Super Duty heavy cast iron in the front, and you can see that gas tank now, how deep that is. And if I back it up a little bit, you can kind of see. Brake works on it too. Oh, that's a weird little setup, how you push that. And then you just pull that back like that, and it locks it. Push that forward, and there it goes. Anyways, I guess that's about it. I mean, it always starts right up and everything if I have that switch just right. But you gotta like... pushed up the choke instead of the throttle. But yeah, if you wiggle this just right, you'll see it wants to cut out. See that? It's not even off. I just give it a wiggle. So you gotta have it in the right spot, or otherwise it'll cut out. So it needs to have the original switch put back in it. But I still wonder what that's originally for though. If this says run and then start, and you can feel the springiness in it. So, I mean, just seeing that little dip right there in this piece of metal, it's like that was meant to be there. So what else would that be for? Because this right here says lights, but obviously this doesn't have no lights on it. I think that's like something if you wanted that option or something back then. Anyways, there she is.